How to change theme colors in Wix Studio. In order to do that, we need to head over right here into our Wix and then click right here into our site styles. From in there, we have the colors, and in there you can see what colors that your sites have. We have color 1 until color 12. So for example, since we're currently into the color 1, which is black, let's choose this color option right there. So you can change your theme colors by tweaking to this part. For example, let's make it sort of like red. And as you can see, it reflects the change that we have made. You can just click on apply in order to apply the changes, and then just tweak the other colors that you have based onto the color scheme that you want for your actual theme in Wix Studio. So that's how you change theme colors in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.